Right, welcome back. This is the Mark III Cooper S video. So today I am going to be trying to get the deep, or the many scratches out the driver's door window. It's really bad. I have been trying to get new glass or old glass, but in better condition. Which I'm really sort of been struggling with. So I had a look on the internet, found this stuff which I'll show you in a minute, and I'm going to give it a go. It looked like it worked on the internet, but I've got a lot more scratches, so I'm just going to show you what the problem is and the stuff I'm going to use. Right, so now I'm not sure if this is going to come up or not. It's a different, let's get close. See that they are all scratches. See them? Yeah, there's loads of them. It's over the whole glass. They're on the passenger side as well, but the passenger side's not so bad. Why it's on the outside, I don't really know, unless when it was restored or stripped down many years ago, they put the door glass in the wrong way round. Now the reason I say that is because, oh no, that's right. Yeah, that's on the inside, so that's right. So there's scratches all up here as well. But when I do what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do that. Now I have run my nail across that just to make sure it's on the outside, and it is. It's not on the inside, so I'm only going to do the outside. Like I say, I've got a spare one, which I got from someone. It's not as badly scratched, but it's still scratched. So either way, I've got to do it on either window. So now this is the stuff that I found on the internet. XNet Automotive Glass Scratch Removal Kit for windscreens and all car glass. Now, obviously, the glass isn't tinted, so it's not going to affect any tinting. I know most new windows are tinted, but the tinted is only on one side. So if anyone else has to do this, hopefully your scratches are on the untinted side. So yeah, so it's basically, let's try and see if we can open this up. I can open it up. 2 seconds. So what's in the box? Let me put the lights on. What's in the box, indeed. So, instruction pack, lovely. A little thing to go on a grinder. Now they do it with a grinder in the instructions. Some pads. Different grades of, so there's a 200 coarse abrasive disc, a 120 and a 60 fine abrasive disc, polishing pad, blah blah blah. There is also, now this is, it is a glass polishing compound. Now I had a look on the internet about this, and I don't know if you can see that it's cerium oxide, which is when you Google about glass polishing, that cerium oxide is the best stuff to do it with. So Anyway, so that's what's in the pack. A little bottle there to sort of dilute it down and put in, and just sort of small little spray areas. So it could take up to 4 hours, I think they said, on one piece of glass. So I'm going to give that a go and see what it looks like once I'm done. I just thought I'd bring you in. So what I've done the first sand on the glass. So you can see that's like cloudy now. A lot of the scratches are actually gone, but when you look on the inside, 2 seconds. Again, it's very difficult to see on the inside, through it, but from the naked eye and the light kind of shining at different angles, I don't think I'm ever going to get all the scratches out, but how bad it was, I think, looking at that now, it's a lot. I'd say it was probably 60-70% better. I don't know whether you can see that there, just where I haven't done the top of the glass, and the scratches are still visible there. Obviously here in the corner, I can't get right in the corner there anyway. Yeah, you can just about see them. So yeah, so that's the first sand. Next up is the 60 grit, and then it's a polish. So I'll just bring you through on each section. Right, now we're on stage. I've just done stage 2, so you can probably see that it's less cloudy now. Basically that was with a 60 grit pad. Don't use a 60 grit pad from anywhere else other than a set like this, please. So yeah, so I am happier with that. I know it still looks dull, but a lot of the scratches are gone, or very, very, very almost invisible, but just, I suppose, different lights, you'd better see it. So yeah, so next stage is to put this what was it, cerium oxide on this pad, and then actually the spray bottle is just to put a mist of water on the glass as you're polishing it when it dries, as the cerium dries out. So yeah, I'll give it that a go. I might do half of the glass, and then come back and show you what the two differences are like. Right, so I've gone over it with the cerium. So from the inside looking out, you see I've done this bit here. I'll show you from the outside in a minute. Now, I didn't go heavy down this part. Part of that is going to be covered by the window trim, but that is amazing. Sugar. I don't know how well, I mean, it's fantastic. It's very difficult to see with the camera, but you can see the difference in the polishing. That's still cloudy, and that area is where I've done. I'm very happy with that so far. But now that's polished on there, you can see the scratches there along the bottom. Now I could probably go a little bit more on that lower bit, but let's say the trim's gonna cover up to there. So I'll bring you back when it's done. Right, here we go. So now I've given it one going over with the cerium, and I mean, when I look at different lights on it, it needs another going over just to buff it out a bit more. But you probably ain't going to see it, not going to see this on the. That is absolutely amazing. I can't believe that. Just trying to get. I would say, I mean, it's not perfect, and it was never going to be perfect. And like I say, it's a bit of an issue down here, but all that you can see, there's quite a deep scratch. With my glasses on. See that there? There. I don't think I'm going to get that out, but I'm well happy with that. Finally, something's gone right. I just can't believe it. I cannot believe that. I am so happy with that. I'm gobsmacked. That I've got most of those scratches out. Wow. Yeah. So this cerium oxide stuff, I'm actually going to use that. I'm not going to cut the other side. I'm just going to use this to clean up, to basically buff up the glass. But this is really good stuff. I think you can just buy this on the internet. Some of you may know about it, some of you may not. But cerium oxide, it's a known glass polishing compound, unknown to me until now. So yeah, wow. I can't believe that. Yeah, so I'm going to give it another go over with this, because it's just in certain lights you can just see it needs a bit more. But in total that took me 3 hours, and I think the little pack, which only had the 200 and the 60 grit pads in it, no, sorry, the 120 and the 60 grit, the 200 grit are optional, but I couldn't find the option for that, so it probably would have been better for me if I'd gone for the 200 as well. And those two, you get two each of the 120 and the 60s, and I've got through both of them really. I could probably get a little bit more out of them, but that was quite heavy scratching. So if anyone's interested in spending 3 hours of their lives getting scratches out of glass on a car window, that's it. So yeah, again, that was the little kit. It's actually, I found this in America, but this is the English version, so that's what it is. I think there might be a couple of other options out there, but the reason I went for this one was I watched the guy on YouTube using this, and I saw what he did with it. So yeah, so if anyone's interested, oh, there's a few scratches on the sunroof, I'll get them out. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.